Model, 2016 Vauxhall Vivaro Sport 27001.6 CDTI BT, 120, S Eco L1H1. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 72,105. Engine, 1598 cc 1.6120 PS BITURBO S, SE5. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect, the engine is fantastic, however fourth gear does not engage. All of the other gears are fine. There is no crunching or whining, just an issue with fourth gear. You can still drive this phone as it is no issues at all. Condition summary, bodywork is in great condition, really reflects the mileage and age of the vehicle. The outside comes with all the great looks that the sport package supplies. It doesn't stop there, the interior of this van comes with all the optional extras you could ask for. With just a little bit of TLC, this van would be a great addition to your business. Features: 1 former keeper, parking sensors,